Did you know that there's a way you could actually make $100 per day by writing articles? Seriously, I didn't believe it myself either, but it turns out there actually is a way to make $100 per day by writing articles. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make up to $100 a day simply by writing articles. So if you enjoy writing articles, and it's something that you consider yourself rather passionate about, and you would like to make money by writing articles, then in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do just that. Anyways, welcome back to another video on my channel. This is Arie once again with a brand new video. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new content every single day that will show you how you can make money online, how to create a passive income, how to grow an online business, and all sorts of other stuff like that. So if you enjoy videos like this, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel down below so you can be notified of all the new videos whenever I upload them. Anyways, let's not waste any more time and get right into things. So the website that I want to go over in this video is called Listfirstcom. This is a very big online, blogging site, and it consists mainly of these top 10 articles. So as you can see here, 10 medical terms doctors don't want you to know, 10 depressing elements or 10 depressing experiments about sex and gender, 10 serial killers caught because of the smallest errors, 10 simplest things that are deceptively complex, 10 obscene and ridiculous things that the rich do with their money, 10 foods editable after an incredible length of time. Okay, that's interesting. So it's a lot of interesting, some geeky type of stuff, some horror related stuff, but they've got plenty of different niches in here. They've got, books, facts, history, miscellaneous, lifestyle related things. So health, food, sports, science they got in here, society, crime, politics, religion. And then they've got entertainment, so gaming, music, pop culture, and all that type of stuff. So there's a ton of different niches that you could actually explore into this website here, and there's tons of new articles being submitted on this website every single day. But the question is, how do you actually make money from this platform? Well, what the cool thing is that you could actually submit your own articles and make money with this platform. In fact, if you go down to the very bottom of the page, there is a link that says under more, it says write and get paid. You just want to click on this link right here, and this will take you to where you can learn more about how to get started with writing with Listfirst.com. So right here it shows get paid $100, win $1,000. I guess it's some sort of bonus they're doing right now or something like that. But essentially what you could do is you could sign up for this, and you could make $100 for one single article that you submit to this website. Now, the one requirement that you will need to have is that you will need to have a PayPal account. If you do not have a PayPal account, you could just go to paypal.com, and just you can go through the entire process of setting up an account with PayPal. It's completely free to start. You don't have to pay anything, and it's pretty simple to sign up. But if you are not able to sign up for PayPal, then this unfortunately may not be an option for you. But assuming that you have a PayPal account, this is definitely something that you could do. So all you have to do is you'd want to, of course, read through this entire article here, and just to kind of get a general idea of what exactly they are looking for. Because the one thing that you never want to do is you never want to just put together a bunch of random information hoping that you'll make money very quickly. That's just not the way that you want to go about it. My personal recommendation is that you want to first and foremost look through different articles that are on this platform and see if you can model after the entire structure that other writers are actually using to submit articles on this platform. So here it explains it works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum. You send it in, we reply and say, great, we'll publish it, and we'll send you $100 by PayPal. So don't have an account, make one, and say easy and free. Or we reply, sorry, it isn't the sort of thing our readers will love, give it another shot, and just remember your list should be at least 1 or 2 paragraphs per entry. So essentially what you want to do is you want to pick a a topic that you want to, of course, talk about, something that you are somewhat passionate about, and something that you feel like you are also rather knowledgeable about. And then you want to, put together a list, like a top 10 list in that specific area, like top 10 ways to make money, top 10 ways on how to lose weight, top 10 ways on how to, attract someone, or whatever the case is, whatever it is that you are passionate about. You want to take time to put together a top 10 list, and you want to make it unique. So of course they are looking for content that is unique that they could use on their blog. You never want to, again, of course, copy anything from other sources like that. You always want to make sure that the content that you're putting together is completely 100% unique. And then as long as you could do that, you just submit it in, and they should give you the $100 to PayPal. Now, there is also the possibility that they may not be a fan of the work that you're of course submitting in. They may say that, okay, this we cannot accept. It isn't something that the readers will like, so give it another shot. So there is a possibility that your content may get rejected, and if it does, you don't worry too much about that. Just of course submit just submit another article, like another time down the road. But I believe, from what I remember seeing with this, you could only submit, I think, like a maximum of like 2 articles per day, which, is pretty good. You could submit, 2 a day. You could take the time to, of course, learn more about different topics that you, of course, want to talk about. And then you want to take the time to put together something that is actually of quality. So that is really what they're looking for most, is quality content that they could have on their blog. And that's really what this entire website is. It's pretty much articles from other writers just like yourself. If you if you are passionate about writing, maybe you have a blog that you're building up, then this is something that you can consider going for. And then you could have this is like a way to make money as you are building your blog. So I think it's a really cool platform to check out. And another thing that is really cool is that, let's see where it was here. I think, I'm trying to find where it was. Oh yeah, here it is. So, and there's one more thing. If you have a blog, a Twitter account, or a book that you want to promote, mention it in the submissions form and we'll stick it at the bottom of your list. So if you have a blog that you're building up in any niche, whether it's about health and wellness, whether it's about gaming, whether it's about making money online, whatever your blog is about, if you have one, or a Twitter account that you want to promote a book or anything like that, then you could also do that on this platform as well. So that's another cool incentive to writing on this platform. But that's pretty much the entire website that I wanted to discuss in this video, and I think it's a really cool one to consider checking out because it's very simple, very straightforward. You just take the time to put together an article that is of quality, and then you submit it to the platform, and then you make a good $100. So if you could write rather quickly, you could put together a article that is of quality in something that you are rather knowledgeable about, and something that you feel others can find value in, then this is definitely something that I would highly recommend checking out. So anyways, that is the entire website that I want to check out, and I'd really be interested to hear your thoughts down in the comments down below. Is this something that you are considering checking out for yourself? Is this something that you are thinking about giving a try? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But the one thing that I do want to end this video off before I actually end it off is the one thing that you must keep in mind with this is that at the end of the day, you are still trading your time for money to where if you want to make money with this platform, you have to be working. Now, the question is, and this is something that I always like to ask at the end of every single video, is how exactly do you go about creating more of a passive income? Because sure, making money through something like this is great, but if you could make more of a passive income where you could be working on your own terms and still getting paid when you're not working, then my number one recommendation would be to start an online business. This is where you could become your own boss. You could pretty much work on your own terms. And what I highly recommend is actually doing what's known as affiliate marketing. I think this is by far the simplest path to online freedom, is that you are starting an online business through the concept of selling other people's products. So you don't have to deal with any inventory, you don't have to deal with any customer service, and you're pretty much just the middleman recommending products and services that you perhaps love and use yourself. And then whenever you refer someone to buy the product, then you get paid a commission. So that is really what affiliate marketing is all about. And if you want to learn more about how to do that and actually make even more money than this, then definitely be sure to check out my number one link down below in the comments down below. And that will give you access to my free training, which goes even more into depth about how to build an entire business around that concept. So that's really what I highly recommend going for in the long term, because they're just a much bigger earning potential, and yeah, you could create more of a passive income through that. So I wanted to, of course, end this video off by, of course, discussing that. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. Again, let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below. Also, be sure to give this a like because it really does help the channel. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video and take care.